Well, here we are at Wetherspoons in
Stansted.
Yeah. Here is the menu. Wow, let's go.
What do you want about?
All right then. So we've got quite a bit here. Look.
You haven't got any of these up, John.
We got breakfast, innit? Let's go.
No, do I?
Let's go. Now I went for the pretty much the pussy one.
He didn't.
It's got no meat on it apart from
Bacon. So it's got meat on it then.
Yeah, but I haven't got any sausage. But I'm gonna try the bacon, yeah?
It looks quite nice actually.
Have a look out there.
Yeah, we're at the airport.
Alright, I'm gonna dip this in the beans and we'll see what's going on. Yeah, not very good.
It looks nice.
No, it's really bad. I'll be honest with you, it's really shit. Dave was looking at me like, for me to say.
No, I'm looking at you. I just said, will you
good.
hurry up because I want to eat mine.
No, it's shit. Yeah.
Oh well, you got plenty of other stuff. The tomatoes look nice. So do the eggs.
Yeah, it's a fake egg.
It's not. It's a real egg.
Yeah, I'm not happy with that.
A spoon, Sally, in an airport, so
yeah,
it's not going to be top notch, is it? Just eat it.
It is what it is. But,
Yeah.
No, it's going to be 5 from me.
Yeah, well, mine's very nice, and I'm going to eat it now.
So here we are on the plane now. We only had to wait about 20 minutes and yeah, straight on. Nice views though. 2 hours and 45 minutes later.
Bloody boiling day!
Unfortunately, it was right out. But...
There's Fashion John, look!
So after all the airport shenanigans, we got in the taxi, which took about 40 minutes. Had some nice views on the way. As you can see in this one, there was a little town over there, or hotels, whatever you want to call them. Yeah, nice.
Look at this, look. We're walking out, and you can see the beach already. Let's go. Alright, this is the room. We're on the ground floor, of course. There's Eva. Got a little flat screen there. Little phone. Let's have a little look at the bathroom though. Bathroom is absolutely... Whoa! Damn, I don't know why it's flickering light, but look at that though.
The camera, it's not
We've got a little bidet.
And we've just got this, a fresh baked spaghetti, got some Edam, got some chorizo, got some ham, and we've got some Philadelphia, and we're going to make a little sandy because we're a bit too late for lunch, so we're going to have this, have a shower and get exploring.
Yeah, right.
Here's Eva jumping in. Our pool is on the top roof of our hotel, which is quite cool, so you can actually see the beach if you want.
Well, we're on the move. Gonna go get something to eat now, aren't we, boy? Hey?
Yeah, boy.
Look at that view, look. Oh, oh.
All the lovely pretty flowers.
Yeah, it's very nice up there, isn't it? Reminds me of Greece. I've only gone and spotted a pizzeria. Right next to the sea. What do you reckon?
And it does pasta, so that's
How
good.
do you know it does pasta? You haven't been there before.
Spaghetteria as well.
Spaghetteria.
So I guess that means spaghetti.
It does mean spaghetti.
Yeah.
I've just came here and they're not doing any food, are they, Eva?
No, but we've got a nice view and we're going to have a drink.
Yeah, look at that view though. Oh,
It's making
Love
me
it.
really want to get in there.
sharks, mate. Yeah, but what a view though. Oh yeah. So none of them places were actually open for food. And there's the sea, Mediterranean. So we've had to come to here, haven't we? And yep, I'm gonna get a pizza from here. And what did you want to drink?
I'm having a pina colada, but
I
I'm
might
not
just
sure,
join her on that
sure
as well.
about
Do
food.
you know? Little go on this then. This is my type of pina colada because it's milky, but I haven't tried it yet, obviously. So give it a go. That's what I'm talking about. Not too Yeah, it's more like milkshakey. It's not too pineapple-y, you know, where you get the fucking weak ones. That's proper. Eva, you've got to give that a smash. Let's go. What are you reckoning? When it goes down the gusset as well, a little bit more.
Oh.
Yeah, there you go.
Straight away, I love a pina colada. They are my favourite. But like Ali said, it's got to be creamy and
Yeah,
like,
it's got to be like milky.
milkshakey.
Yeah, they're not authentic ones, but they're the better ones, aren't they?
Ooh.
You got to, yeah.
That's really refreshing. It
I'll tell you
doesn't
what,
taste like you're drinking alcohol, which is dangerous.
Yeah, yeah. It tastes like milkshake.
That's put me in the mood now. I wasn't. Yeah.
Yeah, right. I think we're going for a pizza as well. There's
You are.
Well, I'm going for one. There's a prosciutto one at the top there, ham one. I'm definitely getting that, son. We've decided we're taking it to the room because
We just got here. We're very tired. As you can see, I'm very bloodshot. And they even let me borrow their fork. So,
Yeah.
and they've got lovely ice cream, homemade cakes, everything.
Oh yeah, you got to see the ice cream.
We will come back.
100%. So we decided to bring it back to the room actually because they took too long and yeah, we're not feeling that. Yeah, well, they did a little bit, but let's look at Eva's as well. Coming in proper big old container. Oh, you're not Eva, ain't it? Have you seen this? Oh, the smell coming from it's amazing. Right, which slice first? This one because it's got quite a bit on it, isn't it?
Looks really nice.
Yeah.
I know
no
we-
sauce. There's no. Every time in Spain, like you'd never get any sauce, but it speaks for itself. I think the pizza does, doesn't it? Very nice. It looks like ash on there.
I'm wishing I got a pizza now.
Yeah, it's very nice. Chard.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There was a Sicilian pizza on there that I had my eye on, but I wasn't too hungry. But
It's nice.
they've done me a big old bit of pasta though. Oh yeah.
Let me try a bit of that pasta.
Can I try some first?
Yeah. Fucking fly.
Yep,
Mine is
unfortunately,
right
we are going
now.
through the flies
Wait,
in
later.
Spain as well.
Right, let's try a bit of Eva's pasta.
Can you not get it on the bed though? Put the whole tray
This
in
is
there.
my bed.
It doesn't matter. I don't want it on the bed. So you get it straight on the bed.
If you actually look at that, that was not on the bed.
Decent. Very fishy. Very fishy, yeah. Yeah, it's quite nice. I prefer the pizza though, over that.
Yeah, I wish
definitely.
I got a pizza. Looks amazing.
It's very nice. Yeah, like I said, no sauce.
First food here. What are you rating it?
Give it an 8. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's quite good though.
Yep.
I'd eat anything right now because we are starving. We've had a really long day of travelling. We've been
Nice.
awake. Well, Ali's been awake since 10 o'clock last night because he couldn't sleep, and I've been awake since 1:30. And it
And it what?
is now, I don't even know what time, about 7 o'clock. So I've been awake a long time.
Long time.
Right, anyway, we're going to enjoy this, have a nice early night, and we'll be back for some proper reviews tomorrow.
Indeed.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and follow. I know. Got that mixed up, but yeah, thanks for watching. See you later.